Hello there. Welcome again to my channel. Today's topic is tricks to make your cheeks sparkle. Healthy skin has a natural radiance. Here are some fantastic beauty techniques for the face to obtain that shine you've always desired. Makeup. Before going to bed, always take off your makeup. Our skin repairs itself at night, and if makeup is still on, it will be unable to breathe. It is critical to remove makeup with the help of an excellent makeup remover before beginning a skincare routine. Leaving makeup on overnight can block pores, causing pimples and or blackheads. Cleanser/face wash. Use a cleanser/face wash appropriate for your skin type once your face is free of makeup. Face scrub. Exfoliation of the skin is a crucial step. It eliminates dead skin and cleanses the pores thoroughly. The skin is rejuvenated through exfoliation. Once or twice a week, use a face scrub. Toner. Use a clarifying toner to assist maintain the skin's pH balance while also minimizing pores. Toner removes dirt residue that has remained on the skin after it has been washed. Moisturizer. Your skin is now ready for the moisturizer to be applied. The moisturizer keeps the skin hydrated and gives it a healthy glow. A moisturizing moisturizer provides the skin with a young appearance. Serum. Add a serum to your skincare routine. It treats dryness, aging, skin elasticity, and wrinkles by penetrating deeper into the skin's layer. Cosmetic items. To give a glow to your makeup, use cosmetic items. To intensify the glow, use powder, cream, or liquid highlighters. Use a highlighter to draw attention to the high features of your face. This gives your look a natural gloss. Lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is essential for looking and feeling bright from the inside out. Stay hydrated while exercising. Thank you for visiting the channel as well as stay tuned.